Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve if two numbers are given in square roots and we have to find the difference between them. So let's start with today's video. So 68 in under root. So we can break 68 as 4 multiply 17. So in place of 68, I can write it as 4 multiply 17 minus root 17. So we know that the 4 is the square of 2. So I can take it out 2 outside. So 2 root 17 minus root 17. If there is nothing in front of that, that means there is an 1. So I can take root 17 common from both the numbers. And what is left? 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer is root 17. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.